Attorney Joe Barberi. I've been asked the question, what should I do in the first 72 hours after being involved in a motor vehicle accident? My answer is simple. Do everything possible to document what happened, or more importantly, what didn't happen. That starts from photographing the vehicles that were involved in the accident to show any damages done to your vehicle or to the other vehicle. Also, photos can be taken of the scene or video explaining again how the accident happened from a perspective of the videographer. And also, if you're injured and you're seeking treatment at the hospital, it's great to do a video in the hospital or photographs in the hospital bed showing your injuries. The old axiom, one photo is better than 1,000 words, is very true. When 6 months later or a year later trying to explain to a claims adjuster for an insurance company or even a jury the nature and extent of your injuries. So document as much as possible, as soon as possible. And why the first 72 hours is so important is evidence can be lost. And my next advice is to contact an experienced motor vehicle accident attorney, one who has access to an accident reconstruction expert or possibly a private investigator to go up and follow up with witnesses and get an extensive statement, whereas the police might have just got a peripheral statement or just a quick statement. Sometimes much more information can be obtained from the same witness by an experienced private investigator. And an accident reconstruction expert can look at the damaged vehicles, can look at the scene, and even visit the scene and document not only what happened, but sometimes more importantly, what didn't happen as a result of an accident reconstruction investigation. So documenting your case is so important, and the first 72 hours can be critical. And obviously, if you're injured, you need somebody else to be looking out for you. Or God forbid, if there's been a death, you need somebody to deal with those issues while the family is grieving the loss of a loved one. Again, evidence can be lost, and getting a hold of an experienced motor vehicle accident attorney, especially one that's local, someone that's familiar with the police in the area, familiar with the hospitals, familiar with the courts that are going to be ultimately called upon to adjudicate the case if resolution of the claim can't be reached with an insurance adjuster. Having a local experienced motor vehicle accident attorney can make all the difference on whether you win your case and ultimately whether you receive fair compensation for injuries and, as I said, God forbid, a death that may have been caused as a result of someone else's negligence. I hope this has been helpful to you. If you have additional questions, feel free to contact us at Barberi Law, the number below, or at my law firm's website, barberilawfirm.com.